Portugal, a country where the past and present blend seamlessly. A land of amazing beauty and rocky coastlines, kind of like the north, but with lots of sunshine. The Algarve coast is a paradise for sunseekers and adventurers alike. Old stories live in the stones of castles and the music they call fado. This soulful music tells tales of love, loss, and longing, echoing through the narrow streets and ancient walls. Check out the twisty streets of Lisbon, where yellow trams go up hills like little spiders, weaving through the city's vibrant neighborhoods and historic sites. Don't forget Porto, where the Douro River is full of stories about adventures at sea, and, of course, the sweet drink they call port wine. The vineyards here produce some of the finest wines in the world. Portugal isn't just cities, it's a land of diverse landscapes, from rolling vineyards to pristine beaches and ancient forests. Each region has its own unique charm and beauty. Picking the right time to travel is super important. If you go in the middle of winter, the weather can be unpredictable. But springtime, oh springtime, that's when Portugal wakes up. Flowers bloom everywhere, the sun warms the land, and the cities are happy and smell like orange blossoms. Autumn is nice too. The summer crowds are gone, the air is cool, and the grapes are ready to be picked for wine. If you want to go to the beach, summer is the best time. Choose your season carefully because Portugal is beautiful in different ways all year round. Getting around this amazing country is easy. Portugal has lots of trains, trams, and buses that go everywhere. In Lisbon, the yellow trams are a fun way to see the city. In Porto, the metro will take you from the city center to the ocean. If you want to explore on your own, you can rent a car and see beautiful views and small towns. Lisbon, the capital city, sits right where the Tagus River meets the Atlantic Ocean. This vibrant city is known for its stunning views, rich history, and lively culture. From the bustling waterfront to the charming old streets, Lisbon offers a unique blend of the old and the new. Explore Alfama, an old neighborhood where time seems to stop. Wander through its narrow, winding streets, and you'll find traditional buildings and historic architecture that tell stories of the past. The soulful sound of fado music often fill the air, adding to the area's timeless charm. See the Torre de Belém, a tall tower watching over the harbor. This iconic structure, with its intricate design and historical significance, stands as a testament to Portugal's age of discoveries. It's a must-visit landmark that offers breathtaking views of the river and beyond. North of Lisbon is Porto, a city built with stone where you can smell the sea and the sweet port wine. This city is known for its robust architecture and vibrant culture. The historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of narrow streets and alleyways, each with its own unique charm. Walk through Ribeira, a special protected place with its colorful houses. This riverside district is one of Porto's most picturesque areas, with its lively atmosphere and stunning views of the Douro River. It's a perfect spot to enjoy a leisurely stroll and soak in the local culture. Cross the Dom Luís Spurs Bridge, a huge metal bridge over the Douro River. This architectural marvel connects the cities of Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia, offering spectacular views of the river and the surrounding landscape. It's a symbol of the city's engineering prowess and a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Go south to the Algarve, a place with sandy beaches and big cliffs. This region is famous for its stunning coastline, with dramatic cliffs, golden sands, and crystal clear waters. It's a paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike, offering a range of activities from sunbathing to water sports. And then there's Sintra, a place with beautiful palaces and magical gardens. This enchanting town is home to the fairy tale Pina Palace, with its vibrant colors and stunning architecture. The lush gardens and mystical atmosphere make Sintra a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Let's talk about food, because every trip needs yummy meals. The Portuguese love to eat. You have to try the seafood fresh from the ocean, grilled or baked with garlic and olive oil. And the codfish. They say the Portuguese have 1,000 ways to cook it. And then there are pastéis de nata, little custard tarts with cinnamon. In Porto, you have to try a francesinha, a giant sandwich with lots of meat, sausage, and cheese, covered in a spicy tomato and beer sauce. Here are a few tips for getting along with people in Portugal. Understanding and respecting their customs and courtesies will make your experience much more enjoyable and meaningful. The Portuguese are very friendly and welcoming, but they have their own unique ways of doing things. It's important to be aware of these to show respect and appreciation for their culture. Saying bom dia, good morning, boa tarde, good afternoon, or boa noite, good evening, is always nice. These simple greetings can go a long way in making a good impression. Using these phrases shows that you are making an effort to connect with the locals, which they greatly appreciate. Tipping is good, but not required. However, it is always appreciated when you do. Also, be mindful of the siesta time, which is an important part of the daily routine in Portugal. Between 2 and 4 in the afternoon, many stores and businesses close for a break. This is a time for rest and relaxation, so plan your activities accordingly. Enjoy the relaxed way of life, appreciate the simple things, and take the time to savor the moment. This is a key aspect of the Portuguese lifestyle. Let the magic of Portugal charm you. From its scenic landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, there is so much to explore and enjoy. In this land of sunshine, old traditions, and friendly people, you'll find a unique blend of the past and the present. You'll find more than just a place to visit. You'll find a community that welcomes you with open arms. You'll find a part of yourself in the beauty and tranquility of Portugal, a place where you can truly feel at home. So there you have it, everything you need to know about this magical country. Enjoy the friendly people, the delicious food, and the Portuguese way of life. Walk the same paths as explorers, poets, and dreamers, and let the spirit of Portugal enchant you. If you ever visit, tell us your stories in the comments below. Until then, safe travels and have a wonderful trip.